This is the Mitered Square Blanket, and this is video number 1, how to add a square. So I've worked the first square, and I've worked down to 1 stitch at the top. Now to add a new square without having to stitch anything together, you'll see these little loops along the top here. We're just going to pick up 1 stitch in each of those top loops. So I knit into it, pull the loop over it, knit into it, pull the loop over, knit into it, pull the loop over. So that's 4, 5, 6, and I need 16 loops on each side. So I'm going to do all of these loops, and then I'm going to place a marker, and I'm going to do a knitted cast on for the second side. If you're changing color, I have a yarn that changes color on its own, so I don't have to be concerned about changing colors with this one, but I will show you the changing color later on another square. I use a magic knot to change colors, and I coordinate it so that the color change pretty much happens at the very tip. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, now I turn. This would technically be the back side of your square, and I'm going to use a knitted cast on. So I knit into it, and then I turn it, put it on the needle, then I'm going to knit into that one, and I'm going to do this 16 times so that I have the second side for my mitered square. So for the whole first row, this is how you will add and do your additional square onto the top of each existing square. Pick up the loops first, and then do a knitted cast on, and then just start working your mitered square as usual. I put a marker in the middle, in the center, between the 2 groups of 16 stitches, and then I will put a marker on the end of this knitted cast on row, and that way I will know. Actually, that would be my wrong side, so maybe I'll wait and put it on this end so that I have it on the right side. That way I will be doing my increases the same way. Okay, watch for video number 2, which will be showing you how to add a color, change a color, and showing you how to start a second row.